She's ignoring you. And you are dying to know why. You are overthinking, spiraling, doubting yourself. That gut punch of silence, it hits harder than you expected. Feels like rejection, betrayal, failure. But here's the truth most men never hear. White right pointing backhand index, her silence is not your enemy, it's your invitation to rise. So buckle up, warrior. Because today, I'm revealing the 7 Stoic secrets, timeless truths forged in fire by men like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, and blended with modern masculine strategy. These 7 secrets will turn her silence into your superpower. This is how you become the man she can't ignore, the man the world respects, and more importantly, the man you are proud to be. Let's go. Secret 1. Accept what you can't control. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. Her silence? Out of your control. You can't force someone to feel something. You can't demand attention or affection. And the harder you try, the more you push her away and push yourself off balance. Let go. The Stoics mastered this. They didn't waste energy on what they couldn't change. They focused on one thing, themselves. You can control your mindset, your actions, your discipline, your purpose. Every second you spend obsessing over her is a second lost building yourself. Accept her silence, not as a loss, but as a test of your inner strength. Secret 2. Use reverse psychology. No man is free who is not master of himself. Epictetus. Here's the move, do the opposite of what she expects. When she goes cold, she's testing something consciously or not. Most guys panic. They double text. They ask, "Are you okay?" They apologize for things they didn't even do. You go silent too. Not to play games. Not to punish. But to mirror her energy and protect your peace. You are saying, I don't chase what walks away. I attract what aligns. Your calmness becomes mystery. Your lack of reaction creates pressure. Suddenly, she's the one wondering. She's the one questioning what she lost. And even if she doesn't come back, you win because you kept your dignity and demonstrated strength. Secret 3. Turn her silence into your fuel. The art of living is more like wrestling than dancing. Marcus Aurelius. That sting you feel when she doesn't reply. That's raw energy. Now you choose. Do you waste it worrying? Or do you use it to become unstoppable? This is your chance to glow up, physically, mentally, financially. Get in the gym. Start the business. Level up your skills. Develop the habits that build kings. This is what warriors do. They take pain and build muscle with it. You want the ultimate revenge. Not to get her back, but to rise so high she couldn't reach you even if she tried. Let her silence light the fire. Now build the empire. Secret 4. Reframe silence as freedom. Every new beginning comes from some other beginning's end. Seneca. You thought her attention was a blessing. But maybe, just maybe, her silence is the real gift. Because now, you are free. Free from guessing games. Free from emotional chaos. Free from chasing someone who doesn't value you. Freedom is clarity. And clarity is power. What if the relationship wasn't meant for you? What if she wasn't your person, but your lesson? Her silence may have ended a chapter, but it started a new one, your story of self-mastery. Reframe the moment. You didn't lose her. You gained yourself. Secret 5. Forge emotional armor. We suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Senka. That knot in your stomach. That pain in your chest. It's not her silence, it's your mind spinning stories. Maybe she's busy. Maybe she's over it. Maybe she's never coming back. But none of those things deserve your peace. This is where Stoic discipline kicks in. When the silence hits, pause. Take a deep breath. Don't react. Ask, is this worth my energy? Then redirect. Go for a walk. Journal your goals. Meditate. Work on your craft. The world will test you. People will ghost you. Women will pull back. But when your emotions are yours, not theirs, you are bulletproof. Secret 6. Build a tribe of strength. Man is a social animal. Marcus Aurelius. You don't need her when you've got them. The warriors. The mentors. The brothers who lift you up when you are tempted to spiral. Too many men isolate when they're hurting. Don't. Build your circle, people who remind you of your worth, your mission and your values. Join a mains group. Hit the gym. Start something where loyalty, discipline, and strength are shared currencies. Because when you walk with lions, you don't feel the sting of a single woman's silence. You remember you are not alone. You are part of something greater. Secret 7. Live with relentless purpose. Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Marcus Aurelius. This is the heart of it all. Her silence only hurts if you've lost track of your mission. So get back to it. Wake up every day with a fire inside. What am I building today? Your body, your career, your legacy, your mindset. A man without purpose is a slave to emotion. A man with purpose, unstoppable. That girl who ghosted you. She's a footnote. You're too busy writing the main story. When you lock in on your vision, you don't need validation. You become the man who creates value, not the one begging for it. Final message, turn her silence into your beginning. You want to know what her silence really is? It's not rejection. It's not punishment. It's clarity. It's the moment life asks, who are you when no one claps? When she pulls away? When no one's watching? Your answer defines your future. Because the man who rises from silence doesn't need her back. He doesn't even need her to notice. He needs himself. So warrior, here's your path. Accept what you can't control. Use reverse psychology to hold your frame. Turn silence into fuel. Reframe it as freedom. Forge emotional armor. Build your tribe. Lock in your purpose. Master these, and you become a force of nature. You don't just win women. You win life. So if you are done begging, done chasing, done breaking over people who don't choose you, type it in the comments. I'm unstoppable. And go prove it. Smash that like button. Subscribe and hit the bell. Drop your I'm unstoppable below. Share this with a brother who needs the truth. Let's build an army of warriors who don't fold. Until next time. Stand tall. Lead with purpose. And build your empire.